Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Switch Kickstand is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Nintendo Switch owner who enjoys playing in tabletop mode, offering a stable and reliable way to prop up your console without relying on a flimsy built-in stand. This replacement kickstand is designed to be a durable and convenient upgrade, ensuring your gaming sessions are uninterrupted by a broken or wobbly original stand, and it's perfect for those who frequently travel or simply prefer a more robust solution for their portable gaming experience. Number 5. Cosmos Replacement Kickstand for Switch Console. Is your Switch console's kickstand broken or damaged? We have the perfect replacement part for you. Repairing it yourself is simple and straightforward. This kit includes a mini screwdriver for easy installation. Made from hard plastic with a secure metal buckle clip, this kickstand is built to last. Each package comes with one replacement kickstand holder and one mini screwdriver. Get back to playing your favorite games without interruption. Restore your Switch console's functionality with this reliable part. What we like. This option comes with a screwdriver, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for a straightforward, DIY repair solution that saves you time and money, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to fix their Switch kickstand quickly and efficiently. What people say. This kickstand is a perfect fit and easy to install. It holds the Nintendo Switch securely in both handheld and tabletop modes. The design is sturdy and feels like an original part. Number 4. Nintendo Switch Kickstand Stand Replacement Back Shell Holder. This replacement kickstand is designed specifically for your Nintendo Switch console. It's the perfect solution if your original stand is damaged or missing. Repairing your console's back shell holder is now simple. You can easily install this part yourself without needing professional help. The foldable design makes it incredibly convenient to carry around. Enjoy your gaming on the go without any hassle. Your package includes everything you need for the repair: the kickstand stand replacement, a screwdriver, and a protective box. We offer a 30-day free return and replacement policy for any quality issues. Our lifetime customer service is here to ensure you have a smile back. What we like. Its foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for on-the-go gaming. If you frequently travel or play away from home and need a kickstand that's easy to pack and use anywhere, this is the one for you. The added risk-free shopping experience provides peace of mind. What people say. This kickstand was so incredibly easy to install, works even better than the original. The install process for the kickstand was super easy. It just snapped right in and it works great. It literally just snapped in, so easy to install and works great. Number 3. SAVITA Back Stand for Nintendo Switch. Get a pack of 4 replacement back stands for your Nintendo Switch, available in 4 vibrant colors. This set is perfect for your daily needs and replacements. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, these kickstands are built to last. They are sturdy and resistant to breaking, ensuring a long service life. Easily replace the back shell holders yourself. This convenient process saves you time and money compared to professional repairs. Choose from 4 distinct colors: black, white, blue, and red. You can switch up the look of your console anytime, anywhere. These kickstand replacements are designed specifically for the Nintendo Switch console. Please ensure your model is compatible before placing your order. What we like. With 4 vibrant colors to choose from, you can personalize your Switch. If you enjoy customizing your devices or need multiple replacements, this multicolor pack is ideal. It offers a durable and easy-to-install solution with a touch of personal style. What people say. Fit very well, easy to install. Not tools needed. It fits well and seems to be very sturdy. It is also very easy to replace. You get a few colors in the bag, which is nice if you want to try something different. Surprised it's better than the kickstand the Switch came with. Fits amazing, so happy now I'll never run out. Number 2. Nintendo Switch Back Shell Holder Replacement Kit. Is your Nintendo Switch kickstand broken or damaged? This replacement kit is designed to perfectly fit your console, allowing you to easily swap out the old one. Crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly hard plastic with a sturdy metal buckle, these brackets are built to last. You'll have plenty of replacements with this 2-pack. Repairing it yourself is easy and saves you money. The included metal screwdriver makes installation a breeze, and you can find helpful tutorials online if needed. Each package comes complete with 2 black back shell holders and a 1.5 Phillips metal screwdriver, so you have all the tools necessary for a quick repair. We ensure strict quality control for our products. This makes it a great gift idea for anyone. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This pack provides 2 durable kickstands with a metal buckle clip for added longevity. If you want a reliable replacement and a backup, or if you're looking for a gift for a fellow gamer, this is an excellent value. The satisfaction guarantee ensures you'll be happy with your purchase. What people say. It fit my Switch perfectly. It just clicked in and it works flawlessly, bonus points for having a spare kickstand. This kickstand fits like a glove, and for a cheap price you get 2 kickstands and a precision Phillips screwdriver that is useful for other things as well. Number 1. SAVITA back stand for Nintendo Switch. Get a pack of 4 black back stand replacements, perfect for your daily needs. You'll have enough for regular use and to swap out when needed. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, these replacements are built to last. They are sturdy and resistant to breaking, ensuring a long service life. Replacing the back shell holder is a breeze. You can easily install or swap them out yourself, saving you time and money. These kickstand replacements are incredibly lightweight and easy to take with you. You can change them out whenever and wherever you desire. These are designed to be compatible with your Nintendo Switch console. Please ensure your model is correct before placing an order. What we like. This option offers 4 black, premium ABS kickstands, perfect for those who prefer a sleek, uniform look or need spares. If you prioritize durability and a lightweight design for everyday use, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants a reliable, long-lasting replacement without fuss. What people say. Easy to install and fits well. I like that there are a few extra for when my kids inevitably lose another kickstand. Fit my Switch perfectly, and I also have 3 extra in case I lose it again. Great product and worth the money. These fit good on the Nintendo Switch. Glad to have extras for when they break. Easy to install and take off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.